Hi, good day. Welcome to another episode on how to's. So for today's video, we will be talking about how to fix Counter-Strike 2 unable to establish connection with the game server Counter-Strike 2. So first, I'll be giving you the first method. First method that might be solve the problem is to go to this website, Down Detector. This is actually a website that can tell you if there's something wrong with an application of the software that you're using. So since we're talking about Counter-Strike 2, you're needing to check here, servers are down in Australia and all those. So all you gotta do is wait for some time, then try it again. So the next method is to update to the latest version of the game. So you will be needing to look for it here, Counter-Strike 2 latest version to download. If there's an option for you to download it here, it only means that you have an outdated version. But if there's no option for you to download it, it only means that you have the most latest version, and mainly that's not the reason why you're getting that error. Now, next method is to make sure that you have a strong network connection, and you'll be needing to restart your router or your modem. So speed test result will definitely gonna tell you if it's low or not. So that's actually another way for you to find out if it has something to do with your network connection. Next method is to change your network connection from Wi-Fi to mobile data if you're using a smartphone. But if you're actually using a desktop like me or a computer, you can switch from Wi-Fi to WLAN data or WLAN connection if there's any, and then just vice versa. Then try it again. And the very last one is the method to turn off your firewall on your device and restart the game. Now, let me show you how to do that. So we need to search for control. That's what we need, the control panel. Let's click on it. Once we have the control panel up, let's just give it some time. Where is mine? There you go. So from the control panel, just type in firewall at the upper right hand search bar. There you go. Firewall Defender. Make sure that you are turning it off and then restart the game. So yep, that's it for today's video. Those are the methods that can help you fix if you're getting unable to establish connection with a game server for Counter-Strike 2. Hope it did help. Have a great day and bye for now.